Cardmunity. We're on an adventure. We just made it to Calgary. We're on our way to Kelowna, BC. We're stopping in and they found this little hole in the wall called the Hoppin' Pub. Is it called a brewery?
It's called Hoppin'.
Confirmed, Hoppin' Pub. So we're here. It's like a little house. So
It's literally a house.
it is.
It's converted into a pub.
Yeah. So it's like little and dainty. We got our bougie beds. I got a nut brown. And what's yours called?
It's the Annex IPA.
Annex IPA. So that's that. And yeah, it's just cute. And they do pizza. So I'm going to do the bird belly. And what did you land on? What's your
Steak.
right, of course. So these are all the paints. Oh my gosh. Such options. So yeah. This is like what it all looks like. It's just cute. It's like lights. I like it. I think it's pink. So, in true Cardmunity spirit, we got our food and I forgot to film it, but it's not completely done. It's just a quarter, so I'll show you now. So this is the bird belly, and then I got some sauce. I got ranch and hot sauce. If you haven't tried it, you're missing out. So I really like mine. It's delicious. It's very like in-house for sure. Like it's very fresh and delicious. How's your bougie food?
I'm enjoying it.
That's good. How's the sauce? You were skeptical about my sauce.
I don't love it, but it's okay.
Stop. And then there's this fly that keeps coming back.
Hey,
Get out. That's it for now. Living our best lives. We're back on the road. It is day 2 of our adventure extravaganza. So are we out of Calgary?
yes.
Okay, we're officially out of Calgary. We're heading into the Rockies. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera. No, we're turning now, but you can see the Rockies off in the distance. It's a thrill. We're going to be driving through Banff, so we'll get some of that. So now it's just like rolling hills. So that's happening. But there's not a whole lot, so I will check back in when there's like bouginess happening. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Day 2 of adventure continues. On the mountain, that's not white sand. It is today 20 degrees out, but I'm sure it's been like super hot. So it just goes to show you that up in those mountains, the snow will prevail. It's random though. There's like just 2 little spots of it. Bizarre. Gross. Gross. I don't want to see snow in August. Weird. About this forest, I'm like, every now and then you can get a glance through it, and then you're like, I wonder what's beyond my scope of vision right now. Like, how many creatures are just sitting there? Hello, fellow people. Just beyond the trees, you know, there could be bears, there could be beavers, there could be, I don't know, billy goats. I don't stop. I don't know what that means. I want to see a billy goat, but they'd probably be like on the mountain. But they could be like just right there. We're going so fast and our eyes can't process things that quickly. What a thrill. Oh, mountains. Look at the mountains. In case you haven't had enough mountains by now. We're near Radium Hot Springs. I don't know where we are. We're still in Alberta, right?
I think so.
Kootenai Park's up there.
Yep.
So yeah, we're in this like bougie part with all the mountains, and mountains are my favorite. They're just so cool. Let's look at them some more, shall we? Oh, maybe not, because trees are not having it. But there's that one up there. Woohoo! We've seen 0 wildlife so far, but I'm hopeful. I want a cave. Look at that cave. I want to go in it. That cave. There's another cave. Oh, I love caves.
That's where Scuzzlebutt lives.
Stop. Well, they're everywhere. What lives in the caves? A goat. That's really good.
So it was a little bit softer, but still.
So we stopped at Kicking Horse Coffee
But then
for a pit stop.
he,
I like their cups. They're festive. Wake up and kick booty.
I just realized that.
They got cinnamon roll.
This is
I got a peanut butter cookie, but it's gone. Ate it. This is like their little booth. It's really good. I don't even remember what mine was called.
They used to get kids in horse at the
Do you remember what yours is called? Three Sisters. Yours is Three Sisters, right?
relations with the
I don't remember mine. Let's go look. Let's take a little peek-a-rip.
Oh, really?
Gotta get the people.
And I'll have a small cappuccino.
That's what's happening. That's Bay's coffee. That's the one I got. They have different ones. Three Sisters isn't here, but mine is. They have Smart. I think they're not ground up though. You have to get a grinder. But yeah, it's pretty good. We're in BC now. The last shot I had was BC too, but I didn't say that. I just caught the scenery. So we're stopped in Golden. I'll give you a little view. It's really nice. So yeah, we just stopped for a quick coffee and tea break. Gas is really expensive here. I don't know if it's really expensive everywhere or just here because it is a pit stop, but I'll give you a little show. So the gas price is over there. So I don't know if it's catching because it's far away, but it's $1.49.9, which is ridiculous. So yeah, I'm hoping that's not like BC wide, but we'll see about gas prices. If it's a BC wide thing or just this is a popular pit stop. Popular. It sounded really weird when I said it, but anyways. It is a word, but it just sounded weird. Anyways. Let's drive. I don't say it that often. Struggle. But yeah. So I don't know, we'll find out. We've done a pit stop in this picturesque place. The water's like crystal clear. Bay's just hopping around the rocks. Apparently there's a dead fish in the water. That's really cute. You'd never know. There's this bougie mountain that's reflected beautifully in the water. That over there is apparently a ghost town, which looks really creepy, but also like kind of cool, but we don't got time for that. But it's pretty neat. It was really weird looking. And I just really wanted to stick my feet in the water. So that's what we're doing. I mean, I already did it, but I'll pretend I never did. It's cold. I'm gonna put y'all in. Ready for a dip? Wow. Well, I hope that was thrilling for you. It was thrilling for me. Yeah, there's something in the water. We don't know what it is. I thought it was a snake. It's like poking its little head in and out of the water. We'll never truly know. But I think we're going to keep on going. It may or may not be raining. But, I mean, this was interesting. Where are we? Do you know?
That place over there is called Three Valley Resort or something. Yeah.
Three Sisters?
Hmm?
Three Sisters?
Three Sisters? No, Three Valley.
It is Three Valley? We're in Three Valley, everyone. One more quick pano. Doo, doo, doo.
Valley check-in again.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost there. Look at that motor. You can no longer see the, oh yes you can. You just think you can't see it because it's so blue.